Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Sandeep. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, we are going to explore the world of sets in Python. Sets are a powerful data type that allow you to store unique items. They are super useful when you need to keep a track of elements and ensure they are not duplicates. Okay, there should not be any duplicate element. Now let's dive in and see how they work with some practical examples. So what are sets? A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. Unlike list or tuple, sets do not allow duplicate items. Sets are also mutable, meaning you can add or remove items from them. However, the item themselves must be immutable, like numbers, strings, or tuples. Okay, so let's create a basic example of set and let's look at that in action. So I'm going to name it as my set, and I'm going to, so all the elements will be inside these two curly braces. I'm going to pass on to some values. Okay, so if I print, we should be having my set printed on the screen, and all these elements should be printed here on Outlook. All right, so that is the basic example of my set. Okay, set operation. Now I'm going to say, as we discussed, that set should not be having a duplicate value, so I'm going to add a duplicate value, so in order to prove that, right? So I'm going to say, okay, we have three, okay, 2 3s and 2 5s. Okay, if I print it out, okay, so as you can see, we only got 1 2 3 4 5 6. The duplicate values are not getting printed. So that is the feature of this set, so that we can only have unique value, not the duplicate values. Okay, so why we use sets? So sets are useful when you need to ensure all elements are unique, or when you need to perform mathematical set operations like union, intersection, and difference. So we are going to look at all these operations one by one. Okay, now I'm going to say, okay, so first I'm going to look at add operation. All right, so I'm going to say my set dot add, and I'm going to say 8. Okay, now if I print my set, we should be having number 8 added to the list. Okay, we should be having 7 it. Okay, it is because it does not look good. The sequence is not proper. Now it looks good. So we should be having 7 added to the list, so or to my sets. So this is how we use add operation. Now we are going to say remove, right? I'm going to say remove. Remove operation. I'm going to call this my set dot remove, and I'm going to say I want to remove 5 from the list. Okay, now if I print it, and I'm going to just also comment it out for the sake of this video, 1 2 3, and 5 has been removed from this list of elements, or shall I say it sets of elements. Okay, and now we are going to look at union. So first of all, I'm going to remove all this. I'm going to say set 1 equal to, let's say 1 2 3. Now create another set. I'm going to say 3 4 and 5. All right, so now I'm going to use union method or union option. Union set equal to set1 dot union okay, let me just change the braces here. Yep. Okay, now it should be having union operation. Now I'm going to say set 2. Okay, so what it is going to return, it is going to return another set, okay, combining the elements of both these sets, removing the duplicate value. Okay, so we should be having 1 2 3 4 5 printed on the screen. We should not be having 3 twice printed in the list. Okay, so I'm going to say union set to pass 1 2 3 4 5. So this is how union operation work. Now now we are going to look at intersection. Okay, intersection, I can use the same example or same these two sets I can use. So I'm going to say intersection set. All right, now I'm going to say set 1 dot set 2. All right, so okay, we should be having the elements printed on the screen which are present in both of these sets. So in this case we should be having 3 printed on the screen. All right, so we got it. Yeah. Okay, so now if I add, let's say 4 here, so we should be having 3 and 4 printed on the screen. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so it should be having the values which are present in both of these sets. Okay, now I am going to remove this and I'm going to say difference. Difference set. Okay, so I'm going to say set 1 dot difference set 2. Okay, so what this function is going to do, this function is going to compare both of these sets. Okay, and it's going to create a new set with the values or with the elements which are only present in the first set, right? Set 1. Now if I print this, one and 2, this present in only in this set 1. So we are going to get this set only with the values which are only present in set 1. Okay, now we are going to look at 2 practical examples. Okay, so let's say you have a list of email address and you want to remove any duplicate values from it. Okay, so let's say emails, and I'm going to say Sandy at example.com. I will just copy and paste and just remove the first word. Okay, all right, so let's say Alex Alright, so this is our list of emails. So now what we are going to do, we are going to convert it into sets. All right, now we can identify that we have Sandy appeared twice in the list or thrice in the list. All right, now we want to print out the email with only the unique value, not the duplicate value. So what we did, we converted into a sets, and then if I print it out, unique emails, we should be having the new set printed on the screen, removing the duplicate emails. All right, so this is how it works. Okay, now we are going to look at another example, and let's say we have a website and we want to keep a track of unique visitors. So each visitor or user will be having a unique ID, and we want to ensure we do not count the same visitor more than once. Okay, so what we are going to say, users equal to, let's say, I'm going to give it a name, or sorry, ID 5102103104 101 and 102. All right, now we are going to find out that we have duplicate values as well in this list of users. Now first of all, we are going to convert it into a set. Set users. All right, now we are going to print users, sorry, unique set. So we should be having all the duplicate values removed from the list, and let's print it out. Okay, it is removed. Now we are going to use another function to get the count of unique users. Okay, so if I include, let's say, for the sake of visibility, I'll put it inside. Okay, and say if we have let's say what we did wrong. Okay, we should be having this here. No. Visitors. All right, so it should be giving us the count of all the unique visitors who visited our website. Now if I print it, we have 5 unique visitors, and now over here we have 7 IDs. However, it is giving number 5 because it removed 2 duplicate values. All right, so this is how we can use unique or set of function in real life example. All right, so sets are an incredibly useful data type in Python, especially when you need to manage unique items or perform set of operations. Whether you are removing duplicates from a list or tracking unique visitors to a website, sets can help make your code more efficient and easier to understand. All right guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye for now.